for number Fletcher, Mr. Fletcher, can we have a phone taken so he can get a bond on Monday? I'm
Hello.
assuming he, okay.
Hello.
We'll talk about that in a moment. Okay,
Thank you,
and
Brad.
Mr. Ty, you sure that your client wishes to take a plea today?
Yes, Your Honor. I had two conversations with him, and he does wish to enter a plea to the fare evasion and criminal trespass.
I have to go to work Monday. I have to go to work. I work at St. Philip Cathedral on Piedmont.
Yes,
Okay,
Your Honor.
I just want to make sure, I just know that it's normally not the position of your office to take any pleas at this calendar.
I
I
really
just wanted to
appreciate it.
be sure.
Thank you.
Your Honor, yes, I think in he would be reset to an SAP calendar in March on these charges. So, I've spoken with him, and he does want to enter the plea today.
Okay,
He wants to. Okay,
understood. And it is a negotiated plea?
it is, Your Honor.
All right, so we won't need the history right away. Ms. Gardner, if you would put a brief, well, first let's do this. Mr. Marjani, your case is 26 CR 001186F. In this case, you're charged with fare evasion and with criminal trespass. Do
Please
you
forgive
understand
me.
your rights today?
Yes, please forgive me. I'm sorry.
Okay, we don't need that quite yet. Are you you understand your rights?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. And you wish to take a plea today. I just want to make sure.
Okay. Yes,
You
ma'am.
do?
Yes.
Okay. Ms. Gardner, if you would put your recommendation onto the record as well as a brief summation of the facts.
Yes, Your Honor. Um, should this case go to trial, the state expects to be able to prove that yesterday on February 20th, 2026, at the Lindbergh MARTA station, that's in Fulton County, the defendant pushed through the gate of the Lindbergh MARTA station without paying the required fee of $2.50. And in doing so, he violated an active MARTA suspension from February 15th of 2026 through May 15th of 2026. The state has recommended, and we have reached a negotiated plea agreement of 12 months, serve 4 days, credit for time served 4 days, stay away from all MARTA, and then the balance of the probation suspended on count 1, and on count 2, 12 months, balance probated to run concurrent.
Thank you.
And that was your understanding, Mr. Ty, and you stipulate to the 3 elements?
Yes, Your Honor, and that the balance is suspended on the second count as well.
Okay. All right, sir, I'm going to ask you some questions to make sure that this is what you wish to do today. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you give today be the truth to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, it's true.
All right, you can put your hand down. Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol at this time that would affect your ability to understand this?
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm good.
Okay, okay. And you understand you're giving up your right to trial by judge or jury?
I understand.
And you're giving up your right to have the state prove these charges against you beyond a reasonable doubt.
I understand.
Is that a yes?
Yes, yes, I understand. Sorry.
All right, thank you. Yes, and please lean forward and speak as loudly as you can so we can make sure we understand you. And you understand that you cannot go back to MARTA as part of this?
Yes, but I can call their number and they can maybe talk to me. That hasn't adjusted, apparently.
Okay, and you understand that taking a guilty plea may affect other aspects of your life, such as probation, employment, immigration, other things your attorney and I cannot, may not be able to anticipate. You understand that?
Fine.
And you are satisfied with Mr. Ty's representation?
Very nice. Thank you. Thank you.
Wait, no, are you satisfied with Mr. Ty's representation?
Yes.
Is that a yes? Okay.
Oh,
And
yes.
did she fully understand? Do you understand the implications of taking a plea today as explained by Mr. Ty?
Yeah, she's great. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay. All right. As to the charges of fair evasion and criminal trespass, how do you plead?
I'm guilty.
All right. I accept your guilty plea. Is there anything additional, Ms. Gardner or Mr. Ty?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Thank you, ladies.
All right. Best of luck to you, sir. That concludes the case in its entirety. All right, I guess we'll take the wave case now, 26 CR 001178A, in which Marcus Bell is charged with theft by taking and obstruction. Mr. Howard, can I have the history?
33. On probation for hindering 911 call, battery DV, trespass, theft by taking. Got to open shoplifting in state court, criminal trespass damage. he may have gone to felony today for ag assault. Not sure what the bond is. I got FTAs from 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. 2024.
That's good. Thank you. Mr. Brown?
Yes, Your Honor. This case is before you because the defendant is alleged to have stolen a backpack from the front desk of the location at 2451 Old National Park Highway, College Park, Georgia, with the victim's Alfonso Chapman's ID card, wallet, $100, and other personal items inside. The defendant was identified through the use of surveillance footage therein. Would be asking that he be required to, that he be given a $2,000 surety bond, required to stay away from the location. Previously noted that he have no further contact with the victim, Alfonso Chapman, and remain 200 yards away. No further, nothing further.
All right, all right, Mr. Ty?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Bell is 33 years old. I believe he does not have a bond set on the aggravated assault. I would ask for the lowest possible surety bond on the theft by taking and willful obstruction charges, so that when a bond is set on the aggravated assault, he will be able to afford it. If Your Honor is inclined to do a signature bond through pretrial services, we would ask for that.
All right. Defendant's gonna receive $1,000 surety bond, 500 on each count. He's to stay away from that location, have no alcohol, no drugs, no weapons. All right, I believe the entire calendar is complete except number 11, which we have reset several times. I'm assuming we've had no luck getting him to waive. He's still confused.
Give us 10 minutes.
Okay. Are you gonna take a phone there today?
Oh, he coming down.
Oh, okay. Has anybody interviewed him?
I have not, he is assigned to me today. I was not able to speak with him. I believe that
Would you like to
deputy
try?
sheriff-
I know that it's been difficult.
Yes, I would like to try, but I believe from what I've heard that he would possibly be reset to the 11 a.m.
Right, and that's fine. He just still has to have some first appearance before we put him there. So, if you would like to speak with him and give it your best effort, I think that'd be great. And then if not, in the meantime, Ms. Bridgewater, would you review the balance of the calendar for us?
I will. Okay, once again, the reset date for the SAP calendar is March the 5th. Position number 1 is going to the SAP calendar with a total $3,000 split bond. Position 2 is reset further notice with a $2,000 SOB through pretrial. Position 3 is going to the SAP calendar with a total $1,000 good bond. 4 is reset further notice with a total $4,000 SOB through pretrial. 5, reset further notice with a $2,500 SOB through pretrial. 6, reset further notice with a $5,000 SOB through the jail. Position 7 has a $5 cash bond. It's going to the SAP calendar. Position 8 has a $5 cash bond. SAP calendar, and also position 9, a $5 cash bond, SAP calendar. Position 10 is going to the SAP calendar with a total $1,000 good bond. We're holding on 11. 12 is reset further notice with a $2,000 SOB through pretrial. 13 is going to the SAP calendar with a 1 cent cash bond. 14 is reset further notice with a total $1,000 SOB through pretrial. Position 15 took a plea. 16 is reset further notice. The defendant is released. 17 is reset further notice with a $1,000 SOB through the jail. 18 is going to the SAP calendar with a total $2,000 good bond. 19, reset further notice with a $3,000 SOB through pretrial. 20 is going to the SAP calendar with a $1,000 good bond. 21 is going to the SAP calendar with a $1 cash bond. 22, SAP calendar with a $2,000 good bond. 23,
Yes.
SAP,
Hi, this is Juan Fletcher. Who is this?
23 is going to the SAP calendar with a $1,000 good bond. 24, SAP calendar with a total $1,000 good bond. And 25, SAP calendar with a total $15 cash bond. Are there any questions or?
Yeah.
Yes, okay.
What's the bond amount for number 2 and the contact?
For
Thank you.
number 2,
Correct.
a $2,000 SOB through pretrial level 1 with no further contact with Jaden Evans. Are there any others? Okay. I guess we'll hold until we hear back for that other position.
You cleared away if it was any doubt, you shut it all down today.
I shut it down. Well, until they come back, I'm gonna go off screen too, okay? See you all shortly.
And Your Honor, I was able to briefly speak with Mr. Fletcher.
Okay.
I'm not sure if he would, I believe it is important for him to have a first appearance hearing, Your Honor. So if it's possible to set a bond for him today.
That's what I'm gonna at least attempt, and then we can see if he needs to go to 11 o'clock. And I already know that I'm gonna ask a social worker from your office if I know that they may have tried previously. Just hold on one second, Mr. Fletcher. Mr. Fletcher, your case is 26 CR 001034C. You're charged with criminal trespass and simple battery against an officer. You have a right to remain silent, and you have a right to an attorney today. I'm conducting this hearing by video. I just want to apprise you of all of your rights. Mr. Howard, can you give us the history?
94. Got an open trespass out of Fulton County, on probation out of Clayton County, theft by taking. 2026 probation, 2019 trespass, theft by taking conviction. 2019 trespass, disorderly conduct conviction.
That's good. Thank you, Mr. Howard. Ms. Gardner, if you would very briefly give us the facts, just where he was, and I understand it wasn't an officer, so very briefly.
Yes, very briefly, Your Honor. This occurred on February 15th of this year, 2026. The defendant was observed on MARTA property at 3800 East Main Street, College Park, from which he is permanently banned. And after he was observed there during his interactions with the officer, Corporal Nicholas Shepard, he spat on him. The state would recommend a $2,000 bond, $1,000 on the criminal battery and criminal trespass and $1,000 on the simple battery against the law enforcement officer. Stay away from MARTA premises in accordance with the permanent ban. No further violent contact with Corporal Nicholas Shepard, a social worker, BHET, and no weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
Okay. Mr. Ty, what I'm most concerned is, do you want to do the evaluation request now, or would you rather your office's social worker come?
Yes, Your Honor, I would defer to our social worker or Paul Bartels for that.
Okay. Okay. And is there anything else you'd like? I'm trying to do this as quickly. I think he needs to.
Yes, Your Honor. I think that Your Honor will set a surety bond. I would ask for him to be set on a sooner SAP calendar, possibly the 26th.
I think we were full. What does it look like, Miss Bridgewater? Only reason I'd agree to that is he's been reset so many times, he would have been entitled to an earlier date.
Yes.
What does it look like on there, Miss Bridgewater? Or Mr. Jordan, if you're there, is that calendar very full?
Yeah, he's good. We'll put him on that.
Okay, so
Thank
we're gonna put him on the, he's gonna receive a $2,000 surety bond, stay away from MARTA, no further violent contact, and he's going to the next available Thursday SAP calendar. Thank you, Mr. Fletcher. You take care. I appreciate you coming to court and listening to me today, all right? Please be kind to the officers trying to assist you, okay? Have a good day, Mr. Fletcher.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, take care. Thank you
So-
all for bringing him.
We want to go ahead and set him, Mr. Jordan, if you're listening, perhaps to the next week SAP calendar as opposed to 2 weeks out.
Yes, he's going on I think it's
I'm sorry you faded out. I didn't hear you.
the 26th.
Okay.
Okay. All right,
Thank
I
you,
believe
Mr.
we are,
Jordan.
I believe we are complete today.
Okay.
Take care. Is there anything additional from anyone else before we go? All right, well, take care, everyone. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend. I'll see some of you all soon. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank
Okay,
you.
bye-bye, everyone.
I'm waiting on the
Bye,
orders,
everyone.
Miss Bridgewater.
I'm
Thank
finna get
you.
them right to you.
Thank you.
Okay.